For today, nandito pa tayo sa Fiesta. Magkasama mag-audition sila ko sa Miss Q&A. Ayan, excited si Bakula. Ayun, nag-audition si Bakula. Parang emot-emot ko. Kaya ang tagal ko na kasi nilumampa sa stage. Now, emot-emot ko ang ating explain nasa isang stage. Sa audition, even hindi ako makukuha. Ang right, you know? Hindi ka naman para makukuha. Hindi ba naman sa kung hindi na po ay di, okay lang for me. Ano ang pagkabuhay sa pagkasal for you, sa pagkayari for you, it's for you, di ba? Yes, mga amigas si amigas, ayan o, nag-emot-emot si Bakula, ayan o, after all these years, ayan, rumampan na naman sa stage, emot-emot.
Galing na di mapipigilan mo, ngayon na nga masusubukan mo. What's up, Badlang people? Ang hindi mo malagpag, hindi nagigising bukas. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Judea Dorsky and I came all the way from the city of flowers, Zamboanga City. I speak like por favor, gracias el hombre y mujer. Bienvenida sa Día Ara que La Union. But I've been singing La Union for almost like 19 years now. Yeah, this is actually my second home, La Union. And I believe in the saying that I believe in the sayings that nowadays, wala nang pangit sa social media because of the AI technology. Lahat tayo makakanda dahil sa filter. And of course, pag pangit tayo sa personal sinabi ng mga friends ninyo, kasalanan na ninyo yon. It is because dapat hanapin ninyo kung sino ang tabihan ninyo.
Kayo po gumawa ng costume niyo po?
Yes po. Actually, this dress I wore at the Miss Universe Philippines 2026. The competition is actually I have here. I actually do designs. Yeah, there's Miss Universe here, and I put talak over here. Yeah, it's a Cruella inspired.
Tapos po, senior hair colorist and stylist po kayo, no?
Yes po.
So, masali din po ba kayo ng pageant?
Well, actually, that was long time ago when when my waistline was only like 24. Yes, I became Miss Universe Zamboanga City. Yeah, far away. That was a long time ago. Waistline is about like 24, but now it's already 46.
Ano po ang pinakamahirap na buhok na na-handle?
Actually, I've been doing hairstyles for almost like 30 years. Marami, especially in the Union. Actually, a fun fact about myself, I represented La Union I will not mention the brand. It is a local brand. International brand actually. Ang pinakamahirap na buhok is yung mga dry ends, split ends, and everything na gusto nila mapapariman even though sira-sira na mga buhok nila. But as a matter of fact, the modern technology now, I think we can uplift the lifestyle of people by making them more beautiful because of the technology.
Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. In our life, we need always to try our best in everything. We need always to feel the warmth of people, especially in auditioning for something. If you really want to achieve something, you need to audition kasi hindi naman lahat bagay na nakakarating sa'yo. Pero just as I said a while ago, pag hindi talaga para sa'yo, edi hindi para sa'yo, at least you have tried. Yun ang pinaka-importante in our lives. Kailangan natin isugal ang ating mga sarili in order for us to achieve, and we need to really do the very best thing that we can do in everyday's living kasi in our lives, there are always trials, there are always ups and downs, but make it a point, we need to stand up because life is about journey. There's a long journey ahead of us in our lives. There are a lot of things that we can do in order for us to succeed. Anyway guys, stay beautiful all the time. See you on my next vlog. Bye!